I'm Dave Friesen, physiotherapist at Propel Physiotherapy. Today I'm going to take you through 4 easy stretches that will help to prevent low back pain, low back stiffness, and help to improve your overall flexibility and back posture. Okay, so they're easy to do. They take about 4 minutes. Just follow along. First off, we're going to start with a stretch that's going to stretch out the side of your back. So you're going to take your left hand, put it behind your back, take your right hand, reach it as far as you can up into the air, and then bring yourself to your left side. Okay, trying to stretch out the right side of your back. We're going to hold this stretch for about 30 seconds. You're going to breathe into that stretch as much as you can. So big breath in, and breathe out. Reach a little bit further to your left side. After 30 seconds, you're going to come back over to the other side. Right hand behind your back, left hand reaching up into the air, and then stretching the left side out as much as possible. You might feel this all the way from your shoulder down through the side of your back and right into your hip. Okay, again, breathing into it to increase that stretch each time you breathe in and out. Great. Next up, we have a stretch that's going to really help to improve the flexibility of our back. So it's going to be a curling down motion. First, just come to the front of your seat, spread your feet a little bit apart, and then we're going to slowly curl, starting with our neck, mid-back, and lower back, and slowly reach our hands to the floor. If you can't make it all the way to the floor, that's okay. And you're just going to hang here for a few seconds, and then slowly curl back up. We're going to do a few of those motions, starting with the head, neck, mid-back, and all the way down. If you can't get your hands all the way to the floor, that's okay. Just go to the point that it feels comfortable. Okay, next up, we're going to do a bit of stretching for the hips. So the hips can also get very tight and can go a long way. If you can loosen these up through the day, it can go a long way in preventing low back stiffness as well. So for this one, we're going to take our left hip, ankle, cross it over to the right side, sit up nice and tall at the end of the chair again. Once you're in this figure 4 position, you're going to try to extend your back, keep it as straight as possible, and then if you can bring your chest forward slightly. Should be feeling a nice big stretch on your left hip. If you need a bit more of a stretch, you can even push down through your left knee. All right, holding that for about 30 seconds again. Once you're done the 30 seconds, we're going to switch it to the other side. So again, taking the right, bringing it across your left side into that figure 4 position, sitting up nice and tall. And if you can, push your right knee down and lean your chest forward to increase the intensity of the stretch. Again, holding for about 30 seconds, feeling a nice big stretch through the right hip. Okay, and last up, we have the hamstring stretch. So hamstrings can often get very tight when you're sitting at a desk for long periods of time throughout the day, as our knee is bent to a 90-degree angle. So we want to do the opposite of that. So for this one, you're going to sit right at the edge of the seat. You're going to bring your right leg forward, and you're going to bring your toes up towards your shin, keeping your low back nice and straight. You might already be feeling a nice big stretch down through the back of your thigh. If not, you can bring your chest forward. Okay, trying to extend the stretch. Again, taking a deep breath in and breathe out to increase that stretch. Great. After holding for about 30 seconds, you're going to switch. Again, heel on the floor, toes up towards your head, low back nice and straight, and bringing your chest forward from that position. Trying to keep your knee straight throughout this stretch. You should be feeling it all the way from your knee right up into your hip area, into your glutes. Holding for about 30 seconds. Taking a nice big breath in and out. to increase the quality of that stretch. All right, so if you can do that 2 or 3 times throughout the day, or whenever you're feeling a little bit of low back stiffness, low back pain, just get into that routine of doing those 4 easy stretches throughout your day, and it'll go a long way to improving your back health.